A man was killed and a 12-year-old boy was injured after they were attacked by gunmen in Boscobel View, St. Mary on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Javane White, otherwise Colorati of Bank Lane and Otter Bay in the parish. Reports are that about 9:40 p.m. White and the boy were walking along the roadway in the community when they were pounced upon by men traveling in a motor car who opened gunfire at them. When the shooting subsided, both White and the child sustained gunshot wounds. They were assisted to the hospital where White was pronounced dead and the child admitted for treatment. Investigations are ongoing into the incident. A 46-year-old woman was shot dead in a brazen daylight attack on Norrie Lane in Budless Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Monday afternoon. The victim has been identified as Nadette Almarie Thomas, a resident of the community. It is reported that around 2:35 p.m. residents heard loud explosions and summoned the authorities. Upon arriving, police saw Thomas' body lying on its left side with gunshot wounds to the head and upper body. Thomas was taken to Spanish Town Hospital where she was pronounced dead. Her body was later removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem. Gunmen shot up a house and attempted to set it on fire in Waterloo District in St. Catherine on Tuesday morning. None of the occupants were injured in the attack, the police said. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate that about 3:30 a.m. the occupants of the house, including an elderly man, were at home when they heard the front grill shaking. One of the family members went to check and saw several men armed with guns in the yard. The men opened fire, causing damage to the house, and attempted to set the house and a grey AD wagon in the yard ablaze. The occupants summoned the police, who found several Molotov cocktails bombed in the yard and several spent casings. A motive has not yet been established for the attack, the police said.